Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to enable or disable dark mode in Mozilla Firefox browser PC. Alright, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Mozilla Firefox browser. And then dito lang sa upper right side ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong lines, click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang select tong settings. Dito sa settings ay makikita mo dito yung general, home, search, privacy and security. And then select mo lang tong general. And then dito sa general settings, scroll down lang tayo at select natin tong language and appearance. Under nito ay makikita mo tong website and appearance. And then dito ay may tatlong options na automatic, night, and darks. Kung paano ba natin enable or disable ng dark mode, select mo lang tong dark mode. And then makikita mo dito na ang entire page ay nag-turn into dark mode na siya. Right? So ganoon lang po siya kasimple. And then cross lang natin yan. And then open natin. And then ito na siya. Kung gusto mo naman itong i-disable, so same procedure. Dito lang sa upper right side, click mo itong tatlong light. And then select mo lang itong settings. And then dito lang sa general. And then scroll down lang tayo at select natin itong language and appearance. And then select ka lang dito kung automatic or light yung gusto mo. So, click mo lang itong light and then ganito na siya. So, ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-disable or enable ang dark mode dito sa Mozilla Firefox. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.